Hey, it's Jim Paar here, and we're going to go through high level and talk about how to get your phone numbers for your SMS campaigns verified and properly set up, because they're doing this not to be difficult, but you know how many text campaigns you get that are annoying and everything else. This is a way to eliminate all these companies that are spamming people with unauthorized texts and everything else. So there's a pretty simple process to do this, and I'm going to walk you through it. But not only that, I'm going to take you through the step-by-step on what you need to do, what you need to do for your clients. And today, if you're looking at my scenery in the background, I'll turn the camera around for you. I am building a new house here and physically building it myself, but I'll give you a quick glimpse of the view. That's our view, and it's incredible. We've got so many windows in here, and it is just a beautiful day today. So I've got all the doors and windows open. I've already done my framing work that I needed to get done and built a new island for the kitchen to get ready for the cabinets. But my wife and I are literally building this place from the ground up, step by step. So you can check out my other YouTube. It's called Up to Par, and just look that up on YouTube. So if you hear any banging, it's not any hammers, but it's Hurricane Idalia is causing some winds up here in Nashville. So that's kind of what it is. But let's dive into this and take you through. So I'm in our white label, we call it Sproutify. So it's our white label high level. I'm in one of my sample accounts, one of my agency 123 accounts. If you want a snapshot to it, I always say you're welcome to any of my snapshots. Just leave a comment below. But let's go into this. So we're going to go down into settings, and we're not in the agency level. We're in the account level. So just remember that. Under settings, you're going to go and you'll see phone numbers here. And the screen will come up like this. So you want to look for, you could do the start now, but the easiest way to do this is go into the Trust Center here, which is new. And you're just going to click on this. You'll see here for A2 brand registration, business profile is not setup is not required. So you can just go ahead and start your registration. This is just a sample account. If you're a business with a tax ID, you want to say yes. If you're just a sole proprietorship, you just basically say no, and we can select no, and this is where it's going to drop into. So it says sole prop or sole proprietorship and not required. Remember, the campaigns is going to be on the lower level, but there is some small fees to set this up. And I think it's just a one-time fee, but we're going to go ahead and hit cancel, and we're going to go back and we're going to select sole proprietorship. And so we'll go with a tax ID number, and so we're going to select low volume, more than one phone number permitted, 6,000 segments a day. I don't think you're going to do that as a marketing agency. If you are, that's fantastic and more power to you. Or you could do a high volume up to 600,000. So maybe you have some clients that are doing those kind of volumes, which is very possible. I mean, I don't have those personally, but I do have some that are doing 6,000 a day. So we'll go ahead and select that. We're just going to hit next. And then you've got to put in your business information. We're just going to say Agency 123 LLC. And we'll just put in an email in here, email.com. I'm not going to file this, so just remember, I'm just putting in information. We'll put in our agency website, uptoparllc.com. and then we'll just call it a business type. It's going to be an LLC. You just want to select the proper one that you are. And there's a few pages that you got to go through. It's 8 pages, but it's not as dramatic as you think, and that's why I'm doing this video. It's not too bad. So we'll put in an EIN number. We're just going to put in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Has to be your 9-digit EIN number. And then industry, just whatever industry you're in. Marketing, we'll just put media, and that we're located in the USA. So at this point, we can go to the next step and then put in an address, select your all your information that you need there. This is your business address, and then we're just going to put in myself here, and then Jim at up. I'm just making up an email here, email.com. My position is, there's just a drop down, and then you can drop in a phone number here. We'll just drop in this number here. And then we're already to the 6th step, and it's only been a few minutes here. Now this is where it becomes a little tricky. If you need to see these examples, you can copy and paste these. Like one is, this campaign sends appointments, confirmations. This campaign will be used to reach out to customers that sign up for updates, or these people be reached by our salespeople. We don't do salespeople, so we're just going to say the first one, and we'll close these examples, and then we'll put in example and just paste that in there. And then you hit next, and again you can see the examples here. You can copy and paste this and then modify it slightly for yours. We'll just put an example here, and then we're going to copy and paste this next one. And all you got to do is just change the phone number, put your actual website, like ours is up2PAR LLC.com/book, and then you hit next. And then again, you got some examples here, and I didn't see these before, so I was typing them out, and so it took me a little bit longer than what it's taken right now. And then just have an opt-in message. Like I said, again, just modify these for your company. And then the last step is to hit submit. And basically, once you hit submit here, it will it'll give you a message, and all it's going to say is that the information's been submitted. It can take up to 7 days. Brand approval, additional 4 to 5 weeks. So you're just going to have to wait 7 days, but it'll say pending in review. And that's it. And then you just wait to hear back from them. I'm not going to hear back from these because I didn't put in a legit email. But that's all you have to do. And if you have questions about this, let me know. And if you like this video or you learned from it, hit that like button just to help me out a little bit. And hit that subscribe button, especially if you're a high-level user. I have a ton of videos. I even have some 6-hour tutorials on HighLevel. If you want to get that 6-hour tutorial, it's in-depth, how to start a marketing agency with HighLevel. There's going to be a link up above here.